Hey everyone! Breakfast is super important and there's no reason to skip it. Today we're making 10 healthy breakfast recipes that are ready in just 10 minutes. That's right, you can eat something yummy even when you're short on time. No more boring cereal or empty stomachs. Let's get cooking. First, we'll make a smoothie that's full of flavor and good stuff. This isn't just any smoothie. It's a wake-up call smoothie designed to kickstart your day with a burst of energy and nutrients. Whether you're rushing out the door or enjoying a leisurely morning, this smoothie is perfect for any occasion. This isn't just any smoothie, it's packed with healthy ingredients. We're talking about a blend of fruits, vegetables, and superfoods that will nourish your body and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Let's dive into the ingredients that make this smoothie so special. Start with some spinach. Yeah, spinach. It's got lots of iron and vitamins. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients, providing you with essential vitamins like A, C, and K, as well as minerals like magnesium and iron. It's a great way to sneak in some greens without even tasting them. Then add a banana for sweetness. Bananas are not only delicious, but also rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health. They also add a creamy texture to the smoothie, making it more enjoyable to drink. Some Greek yogurt for protein. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. It also contains probiotics that promote a healthy gut, aiding in digestion and overall well-being. A spoonful of chia seeds for fiber. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty, packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. They help keep you full longer and provide a nice texture to the smoothie. And a splash of almond milk. Almond milk is a great dairy-free alternative that adds a subtle nutty flavor to the smoothie. It's low in calories and high in vitamins like E and D, making it a healthy choice for your morning drink. Blend it all up until it's smooth. Make sure to blend it well so that all the ingredients are fully incorporated, creating a creamy and delicious smoothie. The blending process also helps break down the fibers, making it easier for your body to absorb the nutrients. If you want extra flavor, add some ginger or turmeric. Ginger adds a spicy kick and has anti-inflammatory properties, while turmeric is known for its antioxidant benefits. Both spices can enhance the flavor and health benefits of your smoothie. Trust me, it's really good. The combination of these ingredients creates a smoothie that's not only tasty but also incredibly nutritious. You'll feel the difference in your energy levels and overall well-being after just one sip. This smoothie will wake up your taste buds and give you energy. It's the perfect way to start your day, providing you with the nutrients you need to stay focused and energized throughout the morning. You can even prepare the ingredients the night before for a quick breakfast on the go. Simply store the prepped ingredients in the fridge, and in the morning, just blend and enjoy. It's a time-saving hack that ensures you never skip breakfast. Making it look nice is important too. Presentation matters, and taking a few extra seconds to garnish your smoothie can make it feel like a special treat. Plus, it makes for a great Instagram photo. A sprinkle of chia seeds or some berries on top makes a big difference. Not only does it add extra nutrients, but it also enhances the visual appeal of your smoothie. Enjoy your wake-up call smoothie and have a fantastic day. Next, we're making avocado toast, but not just plain avocado toast. Toast a slice of whole wheat bread. While it's still warm, rub a clove of garlic on it for extra flavor. Mash a ripe avocado and spread it on your toast. Drizzle some good olive oil, sprinkle some salt and pepper. A squeeze of lemon juice, some chili flakes, and a few cherry tomatoes make it even better. Don't be afraid to add your own favorite toppings. Enjoy your fancy avocado toast. For a breakfast that's filling and healthy, try a yogurt parfait. You can get creative with this one. Start with some Greek yogurt. It's full of protein and calcium. Then add your favorite fruits like berries, bananas, or apples. Next, add some granola for crunch. For extra health, add some chia seeds or flax seeds. Finally, drizzle with honey or maple syrup. Remember, layers are important. Make those layers look good for a tasty and pretty breakfast. Enjoy your parfait. Now, let's talk about scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs are a breakfast staple, but they often get a bad rap for being bland or rubbery. Today, we're going to change that perception and show you how to make the perfect scrambled eggs that are creamy, flavorful, and anything but boring. We're not making boring, rubbery eggs. Instead, we're aiming for a dish that's rich in texture and taste. The key to great scrambled eggs lies in the technique and the quality of ingredients you use. Start by cracking 2 fresh eggs into a bowl. Whisk them vigorously until they're bubbly and well combined. This step is crucial as it incorporates air into the eggs, making them light and fluffy. Don't forget to season with a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper to enhance the natural flavors. Next, melt a generous pat of butter in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Butter not only adds richness, but also helps prevent the eggs from sticking. Once the butter is melted and slightly foamy, pour in your whisked eggs. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for a few seconds to set slightly. Then, using a spatula, gently push the edges of the eggs towards the center. This technique creates soft curds and ensures even cooking without over-stirring. While the eggs are still a little runny, it's the perfect time to add your favorite chopped veggies. Consider adding fresh spinach for a boost of nutrients, earthy mushrooms for a meaty texture, or vibrant peppers for a pop of color and sweetness. You can mix and match these vegetables based on your preference. The key is to add them while the eggs are still slightly undercooked so they can meld together beautifully. Continue cooking the eggs gently, stirring occasionally until they are just set but still soft and slightly runny. Overcooking will make them dry, so keep an eye on the texture. For the finishing touch, sprinkle some fresh herbs like chives, parsley or dill on top. These herbs add a burst of freshness and elevate the overall flavor profile of your scrambled eggs. Now, serve your perfect scrambled eggs immediately while they're still warm. Enjoy the creamy, flavorful goodness that you've created. Bon appetit! Sometimes a simple fruit salad is the best, but we're making it a party of flavors. Chop up your favorite fruits like berries, melon, bananas, and apples. A squeeze of citrus juice will keep the fruit fresh. Add some chopped mint or basil. For extra crunch, add some toasted nuts or seeds. This fruit salad is a celebration of fresh flavors. Arrange it nicely on a plate. Enjoy your fruit salad fiesta. Oatmeal can be boring, but we're changing that. Mix rolled oats with your favorite milk. Add cinnamon, nut butter, and chia seeds. Bring it to a boil, then simmer until the oats are cooked. Now for the fun part, toppings. Fresh berries, banana, honey, nuts, anything you like. This oatmeal is so versatile. You can even make it the night before. Enjoy your delicious oatmeal. For a breakfast that's full of flavor and keeps you full, try a breakfast burrito. It's a versatile meal that can be customized to suit any taste or dietary preference. Whether you're in the mood for something light and healthy or rich and indulgent, a breakfast burrito has got you covered. Start by warming a tortilla. You can use a pan, stovetop, or griddle. This step is crucial as it makes the tortilla pliable and ready to hold all your delicious fillings. A warm tortilla also enhances the overall flavor and texture of your burrito. Next, scramble some eggs with your favorite veggies. You can use bell peppers, onions, spinach, or even mushrooms. The combination of eggs and vegetables not only adds a burst of color, but also packs in essential nutrients to kickstart your day. Add your fillings to the tortilla. Start with a spoonful of beans. Beans are a great source of protein and fiber, making your breakfast burrito more filling and nutritious. You can use black beans, pinto beans, or even refried beans. Next, add some salsa, avocado, and cheese. Salsa adds a tangy and spicy kick, while avocado provides a creamy texture and healthy fats. Cheese, on the other hand, melts beautifully and adds a rich flavor. Get creative with your fillings. You can also add leftover veggies, guacamole, or fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley. These ingredients not only enhance the flavor, but also add a fresh and vibrant touch to your burrito. Once all your fillings are in place, fold the burrito and roll it up tightly. This ensures that all the ingredients are well contained and every bite is packed with flavor. You can eat it as is or grill it for a crispy outside. Grilling adds a delightful crunch and makes the burrito even more enjoyable. Serve it with a side of salsa or hot sauce for an extra kick. Enjoy your breakfast burrito and start your day on a delicious note. Chia pudding is the best make-ahead breakfast. It's healthy, easy, and you can customize it. Mix chia seeds with your favorite milk. Add honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Vanilla extract is a classic addition, or try cinnamon or cardamom. Whisk everything together. Pour it into a jar, cover, and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. The chia seeds will make it like pudding. top with your favorite fruits, nuts, and seeds. Enjoy your perfect chia pudding. Don't buy a greasy breakfast sandwich. We're making our own, and it's way better. Toast an English muffin or a slice of bread. Cook an egg how you like it. Add ham, turkey, or smoked salmon. Add your favorite cheese. For extra flavor, add avocado or guacamole. Assemble your sandwich and enjoy. We're ending with a classic peanut butter and banana toast, but we're making it even better. Toast a slice of bread, spread on some natural peanut butter, top with banana slices, sprinkle on chia or hemp seeds, drizzle with honey or maple syrup, and add some cinnamon. If you like spicy, add some chili flakes. This breakfast is sweet, salty, and crunchy. Sometimes the simplest recipes are the best. Enjoy!
Know you've been a good friend.
All right, everyone, now you have no excuse to skip breakfast. Subscribe to the channel for more cooking ideas and tell me in the comments which recipe you'll try first. Now, go cook something amazing.